So Winston Soboyejo, our new provost at WPI, so excited to talk with you about our academic enterprise. You're our chief academic officer, and there's so much happening in academics at WPI right now. One of the things I'm really excited about this year is getting going on the global school. What are your thoughts about that?
So I'm excited because I think the global school is the next revolution for us for the next 50 years. I think we're going to build on our culture of project-based education, this blend of research and education that can inform policy and can have a major impact on our project-based activities all across the world.
Kind of taking WPI's famous global projects program and taking it to the next level.
Yes, I think we're building on our special sauce, the way we approach projects, the way we solve problems, but we're integrating with all our partners across the world to have major impact.
Yeah, it's awesome, and we're in the process of hiring our first dean of that school, so it's going to be an exciting year there. The other really interesting thing happening, I mean, the global school is all about crossing disciplinary boundaries, but you're thinking about that on a much larger scale. Tell us about some of the cross-cutting themes you've been focused on.
So as you say, Laurie, the most exciting areas in science and technology today are at the interfaces between fields.
That's right.
And in these areas, we can have groundbreaking discoveries that drive the technologies of tomorrow that change the lives of people across multiple generations. And so within the framework of our own history, we have 4 thrust areas that we're pushing.
Yeah.
So one is really looking at materials and manufacturing, which goes back to our early origins, but also now connects with machine learning, AI, additive manufacturing, to really create the manufacturing of tomorrow.
Right.
And we have groups here at WPI doing world-leading research, working with industry and groups of companies across the world to really drive the future of materials and manufacturing. We're also starting, as you know, the Sagamore Road Industrial Complex as part of a northeastern hub for materials and manufacturing. And then in the bio space, we have lots of innovations with the BioX Crosscutting initiative, with the new advances in neuroscience, new advances in biomanufacturing, and many new areas that connect the frontiers of biology and engineering to the future of WPI.
Yeah, health and medicine together with engineering and data.
Real solution.
Absolutely. And then the smart world, of course.
The smart world is this eclectic mix, and it's this eclectic mix of robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, sensors, the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, that really represent this new era of the smart world.
Fourth industrial revolution.
The fourth
personified here at WPI.
And it represents how we could bring collectively all those areas to drive really the future of technology in ways that impact the world. And with the advent of the new building, with the groups of folks here at WPI, I think it will represent the next stage in collaborative learning, as well as discovery and innovation that will really have a major impact in the world. And so those are 3 areas.
Yeah.
When you integrate them into global initiatives, then you have this framework that also supports the global school in a way that's truly unique.
And all of these provide really cutting-edge educational opportunities for our students. And of course, they're at the center of everything we do. So how are these new initiatives really going to drive the future of WPI education?
So for us, what's special is we connect our research to our teaching. And I think that's the sweet spot for WPI. And so as we look to the future of project-based education, what we're wanting to do is to bring together cutting-edge approaches in project-based education at both the undergraduate and the graduate level, connect them to our strengths in STEM education, and really then bring both the hands-on and the theoretical components together in a way that will continue to make WPI students leaders of tomorrow.
And continuing to think about new degree programs, new offerings. We have a new bachelor's degree in data science where we're constantly innovating around our current academic offerings. And that to me is so exciting, the connection of that groundbreaking research all the way to the classroom with our students. So thank you for your work in our academic enterprise. I'm very excited to see what comes next.
Thank you, Laurie.
Thanks.